Now the next transaction is a interstate purchase transaction. We purchased 3 units of HP printer from a dealer which is located in Mumbai. So our business is in Karnataka and we are making a purchase outside our state. So in this case GST would be applicable on the taxable amount. So how do we record this entry? To record purchase, we will open the purchase voucher and enter the date of recording the transaction in Tally. So let me enter the date as 10th of August 2019, and the supplier invoice number is 105 and the invoice was generated on 8th of August, and I bought this items from Right Technologies. So I already created its ledger with its respective GST information. So select this supplier's account and enter any information over here. So these are all optional fields, so if you have any details which needs to be specified over here, you can provide it over here. So I am making this purchase against my order number 5. So I made a order request whose document number was number 5. So I am specifying it over here so that I can relate this purchase with this order number, and I will press Ctrl A to save this information. And the purchase ledger would be purchase account, and in the name of the item specify the items that we have purchased. So I purchased this printer. So I bought 3 units of this item at rupees 5,000. So my total amount would be 15,000, and I did not purchase anything apart from printers, so I won't specify any other items over here. So I'll press enter again, and now I need to specify the GST ledger, and it will be calculated at the rate which is set for the printer. So at 18%, GST on 15,000 would be 2,700 rupees, and I'll press Ctrl A to save this entry.